بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dua when replying to the one who says Alhamdulillah after sneezing. Yarhamukallah, Allah have mercy on you.